We're just a small dedicated gold company focused with our operations in Laverton in Western Australia, and we have about 1,700 square kilometres of land tenement there that we're focused on exploration and production. We've been listed probably about 4 years, I beg your pardon, since 2003, and it's a company that has maintained a gold focus since that time, and in fact brought a resource into reserves and into production within since 2003. We're currently processing gold at our Laverton gold plant, which is originally started off at a 1 million tonnes per annum plant, and now has been upgraded to 1.5 since August this year, and currently producing around about 30 to 40 kilos a week in our inaugural year. We have an extremely high and strong balance sheet. We've got approximately 110 to 115 million dollars Australian in our bank account, and it's always been the board of directors' view to support a fairly aggressive growth strategy. We were examining a number of targets, both assets and companies, that we want to make a synergistic addition to our company so that shareholder value will increase. And we'll do that in a sensible fashion. We're looking predominantly at gold, that is our core focus. However, there are a number of assets that we're probably interested in looking at outside of that. I think our news flow has potentially been a little bit slow, and we've been criticised in the market for that. And that's predominantly been the fact that we're focusing on getting our production at Laverton plant in order. However, in the meantime, we have been exploring, and we have 3 drill rigs currently operating, and they'll operate up until just before Christmas and then resume just after Christmas. It gets particularly warm in Australia, so it's only fair that we slow that activity down. But really our news flow will be on our strategic review and land holding based on exploration results. Look, I've had 15 years worth of experience in the mining and exploration game. I worked with companies with Normandy Poseidon and Western Mining, and I was lucky enough whilst doing that to study for commerce as well. Went into finance and then worked in the capital markets and financial markets as a stockbroking analyst, and then as a portfolio manager, fund manager with about 50 billion under management. So I think myself personally, I have a good balance between technical, corporate and financial to probably steer Crescent in a very good way. We've probably established ourselves as a first-class explorer, and now are essentially showing the results of being a good producer as well. We're in our last stages of commissioning our plant, and will be commercial from next quarter. And I think the results will be on the board for us to show the world that not only we're good explorers, but we're good producers and good operators of mines. And I think the last, probably the more important thing about us is that we have an extremely good balance sheet, and so our growth expectations and aspirations are extremely high. So any shareholder getting on board at current share prices today, around about 40 cents Australian, I think we probably display remarkable value at this point.
You tell me again.